Magandang buhay sa lahat. Lizken update. Liza Soberano, meron na namang next project na dapat nating aabangan. Kasalukuyang, nasa Los Angeles pa din ang dalaga. At kasama niya pa din doon si Renz Pangilinan. Ang kanyang best buddy sa lahat. Fave mama nito at makeup artist. Ayon sa kanyang fan, wow, excited for you Hopi on what's next. Whatever it is, we are here to support you, and wishing you the best, and the merriest. You deserve all the happiness. Lizken forever always. Samantala, Enrique Hill, the king of the hill, is coming to Davao. Yes guys, sa mga Davaoino, ma-meet and greet nyo guys, si Enrique Hill, on March 17, 2024. 3 p.m, at G-Mall, Davao Atrium. Ito din ang art, na dinisenyo, para kay Liza Soberano, Avatar the Legend, of Korra. Bagay ni Hopi, esto ang lahat ng karakter, na ginagampanan, at gagampanan nito. Samantala, ayon sa press, Liza Soberano's career, is at its peak. Liza continues to cement, her place, in the Hollywood industry. As she revealed, that she is now, a member, of the Screen Actors Guild. Aabangan pa natin guys, ang mga nakakaabang, na proyekto, nina Enrique Hill, at Liza Soberano. Tuldok, salamat po, sa walang sawang suporta. Mabuhay tayong lahat.
Yeah.